Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you about the topic work and energy. So, here, first of all, we explain about the term work. What is the literary meaning of work? When the force acted on a body and then this body changes its position in the direction of the applied force A to B, then it produces the motion and covers the displacement a to B, which is denoted by S. So, when force acts on the body and it produces the motion, then this body is said to be in work is done. So, here work is done. This is denoted by work is denoted by W and force denoted by F and displacement denoted by S. Then work done W is equal to dot product of force and displacement. And then the unit of the force is Newton, unit of the displacement is meter. Due to S, unit of work is Newton into meter, which is also equal to known as 1 joule. When 1 Newton force acted on a body that is displaced by 1 meter distance, 1 meter distance from A to B, then work is done 1 joule. Then work is done 1 joule. So work is a scalar quantity because it is the dot product of the vector quantities. So this is the rule here. The dot product of vector quantities produces a scalar quantity, and cross product means here, this is the cross product means here F cross S. So here work is not multiplied with the cross. So here work is multiplied with the dot product of force and displacement. So its SI unit is joule and CGS unit is erg. So here 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton meter and 1 erg is equal to 19 centimeter. 19 centimeter. So this is the work done and it is your graphical representation of the work. Means here force, external force acting on the body A that is displaced from point A to B through the acceleration A and it covers the distance from A to B is S. Then work done is equal to dot product of force and displacement. Force and displacement. Now we shall discuss about the relation between the joule and erg. Now we shall discuss about the relation between the joule and erg. Joule and erg. Relation between joule and erg. We know that 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. Now 1 Newton represents here 1 kg into 1 meter per second square. Means it represents here 1 Newton. It represents here 1 Newton means when external force acted on a body 1 kg body and then this body is accelerated by the acceleration 1 meter per second square, then this force is known as 1 Newton. This force is known as 1 Newton. So here 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter means here 1 Newton represents here 1 kg into 1 meter per second square into 1 meter. This is the displacement. This is the displacement. Now we shall discuss about here, or we can convert the SI unit in CGS unit. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 meter means 100 centimeter by second square into 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So here we have converted the SI unit of the mass 1 kg into 1000 gram and 1 meter into 100 centimeter by second square and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then we get here the 1000 into 100 into gram centimeter per second square into centimeter. Means here we have collect all the numerals value 1000 into 100 into 100 into gram centimeter per second square into centimeter. Then we get here 10 to power 7 gram into centimeter per second square into centimeter. So gram into centimeter per second square represents here this is the dyne, D-Y-N-E into centimeter. So here dyne is the CGS unit of the force. So when external force acted on 1 gram of an object and then this object comes in motion with acceleration 1 centimeter per second square, then it is known as 1 dyne. So here gram into centimeter per second square represent the dyne. So we can write here 10 power 7 dyne into centimeter. Now 1 dyne into centimeter represent the CGS unit of the work is known as erg. So here it is known as 10 to power 7 erg. So this is known as 10 to power 7 erg, which equal to the 1 joule. So here 1 joule is equal to 10 to power 7 erg. 1 joule is equal to 10 to power 7 erg. So here now this is complete here. 1 joule is equal to 10 to power 7 erg, or 1 erg is equal to 10 to power minus 7 joule. So this is the relation between the joule and erg. Thank you.